Hey guys, what's up? This is another video of Animal Crossing. Sorry about that. No, I don't have problems. This is Chicken Bro here, and I'm recording Animal Crossing. I really am enjoying playing it so far, thanks to my mom. And I've gotten a couple of letters from my fake mom, and my fake mom in the game, because you have a mom in the game too. And I really am enjoying this series, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So, let's do this. This is my beautiful house with my sofa with blue hair. Look at me, blue hair, and a cabin rug. I have some bugs to display. I have my walls. I have my lamp, and I have... One second. What? That is cool. I didn't even know I could do that. I'm changing my view. There it goes. Okay, sorry. So, showing you my house. Okay, let's go outside. Okay. These are my shoes. Awesome shoes. So this is my beautiful house. You can probably hear the music. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna catch this bug, and then I'm gonna show you it after I catch it. No, it's not fishing. This is what I caught. I caught a robust quesadilla. No, what the crap? I can't even read it. If you don't want to say that, and I don't, it doesn't matter. I don't have reading problems. I'm in 6th grade reading. It seems pretty lively to me. 60 inches. No, 60.5 millimeters. Okay. Just gonna wrap pears. Ooh, let's go fishing. There's a fishy. I don't see any fishies there. Ooh, I think I saw one. Did I see one? Did I? Please. 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 Looks like I didn't. Okay. Shake this tree. Shake. I'm gonna collect these pears really quickly. Collect and collect. Okay, so I collected the pears. If you play Animal Crossing, comment down below if you do, and I might give you some tips on how to get your house started. So if you like fishing, this is just one really quick tip that I'm gonna give you. If you're ever going to play Animal Crossing, or you already do, and you like fishing, you should make your house next to the fishing, and make sure that it has plenty of space for upgrades. So I'm going to talk to this person because this is new. Be right back. Okay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Chicken Bro. Now that I have your name, let me briefly explain about your showcase. In your showcase, you can find model homes simulating the homes of Happy Home Academy members. Member information exchanged via Street Pass. Based on that information, model homes will be displayed in the showcases of each player involved. This even includes a clone of you that talks to other players. Isn't that fascinating? Well, it's probably better if you actually get a chance to see. Allow me to show you around. This way. He's walking me around, bros. I'm not supposed to talk to strangers. Okay, once again, thank you for visiting HH Showcase. Chicken Bro, this is your first time visiting us. I'd like to briefly explain about our space here. First of all, this is the entrance. There are 3 exhibit areas for you to view, one on the left, one on the right, and one on the back. You can reference the touchscreen for detailed maps. You're welcome to look around at the model home. Also, you can buy furniture in the model homes except for items that don't happen to be for sale. The real downside is that the price tend to be a little higher than in regular stores. But I'm sure you may end up in finding rare items that you can't find in this town. If you find anything you like, please place your order in the model home. We'll deliver it to you later. Lastly, I've got one important thing to tell you. If you see someone suspicious or find a model home that's not appropriate for public display, please ask the person to leave or go to the model home and request to be removed from the area. Once you've done that, we'll take care of the rest as soon as we can. Well, I believe that's all from me. I hope you enjoy your time in HH Showcase. The reason why I go like this and this and this is because when it says my name, I can't have it say my name, or it might, or you might find out my real name, and that's against the rules for YouTubing. That's my mom's rules. So I'm going to really quickly talk to these guys. Pocho from Xenia. My home is over at North 6. Tango. Look at profile. April 27th. Well, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed, because I have really enjoyed this series so far, and I'm really excited to do the next episode. So, see you next time. Goodbye! Wait, one more thing. This is actually the last episode. So, stay tuned for another series of Animal Crossing. Goodbye!